Going over the trades on March the 2nd, 2021, 60-minute breakout down minus 15, 62.50, 60-minute breakout short minus 412.50 with a current open position short. And it was a down day, but difficult to short it with that strategy. AT 2019 caught the move, plus 12.25. Asia for long, minus 1,025. You can see a wide-ranging, choppy day. This is what's happening on down days instead of normal distributions. There's chop, and so we might see a trend overnight. But you see that happening. You see that happening on Friday right here, just chop, and then a straight line trend on Monday. And now it's trying to have a down day. And this is a 24-hour session, so it's kind of a nice trend in the 24-hour session. But around early morning hours, rallied towards the highs, went towards the lows, went back towards the day session highs, and back towards the lows. So wide-ranging chop on down days. And every now and then you'll get a smoother trend on the downside. But most of the time, down days, especially if it opens down, is just full of chop. So that's what we're seeing today. Asia 4 long minus 1,025. Even NASDAQ, we have AT 2020 NQ was down, was break even on this trade. Try to short it, but it keeps bouncing back. At least in the short term, need a without a break even stop on this. This actually works well on this day. The break-even stop was here, and it traded lower after that. So sometimes the break-even stop does not work to your benefit. You want to lock in profits, but the break-even stop sometimes is a stock index swing. The short trade plus 500 on the day, plus 475. Looks like a very small move on this chart. The range on the days, you can see the high was 3303. 13,303, low is 13,048.25, over 250 points on the NASDAQ. And gap continuation 2019, you have 4 losers, keeps trying to short it. This has $300 stop loss. We're not trading this version. Gap continuation 2020, no trades. Beta B, VSD down on the day, minus 190. Gap continuation 2019, big stop loss. $700 is bigger than $300, but not very big really in this market. Stopped out, and let's see. Yesterday was the big day though. We had a big day yesterday, plus 24.35. Gave back $700 today. Needed a bigger stop loss here to withstand this about twice as much as what you see here, and it would have captured this move into the close. This move into the close didn't start until 2:11 Central, 2:15 Central, 45 minutes left. It started to sell off. So that's a gap continuation. Viper, we talked about this. I was researching this earlier, looking at using bigger ranges. It's done really well recently. It's not in the portfolios that we're taking a look at it. EVP1 is short right now. We'll exit here in about 3 minutes, plus 175. Not much of a trade. Beta C. VSDES minus 112.50, 60-minute breakout, big loser on the day. Market looked like it was going to pull back and rally again on Tuesday, but this first trade was stopped out, and another trade was stopped out, and these are $1,500 stop loss, so minus 36.40 on the day for that. All strategy access gold minus 725, minus 725, plus 575. On the SR counter trend 2V2, 1M5M, and 15M, SR counter trend 2 plus 475, SR counter trend 4 plus 205, gold flash minus 825, and the SR counter trend 3s, which have had I think 12 winners in a row on some of these. We talked about that the other day. Had its first loss in a while. Minus 825 on the A and the B version. Asia Gold 4 plus 975 on the short side though. The silver, no trades on the day. Actually, this should be on May. I had to close and reopen my workspace, and it came back to March. But this needs to be K. We're trading May silver. So once you change that, there will be no trades on that. We have the VSD long short we're looking at. We're not trading it today. We talked about how this strategy has a potential to really take short trades. Went through. It's pretty volatile. This strategy. It went through a big Big loss last Friday, minus 82.30 there, and then up yesterday and up today to get that back and more. But pretty wide-ranging equity curve. It trades around the clock, long and short trades, flipping trades, and so you can see this strategy can have it can have huge gains. You can have $28,000 drawdowns on the Nasdaq. Periodical returns can be all over the place. 39K on the year. Let's look at the daily returns. You can go minus 48.75, minus 54.75, and then you can go up on the day on these types of trades. So this is what we're looking at potentially adding for the short side, because it's starting to do well on the short side, and so we want to be able to short this market. That's VST long and short. Crude oil, Cobra Crude aggressive, only strategy to trade on the day. In crude oil, minus 725. Natural gas, no trades. RBOB, no trades. Euro, plus 581.25. Here are the optional strategies. VSD Night Trader, no trades. The Cobras did not trade. You see the bond strategy here we have. We can trade. We showed the short only side of it. Bonds have stopped going down for now, so that story is not is less and less in the news. Big day in soybeans though, so nice trades here. You see soybean swing reverse from short to long, and then you see grains day trader 3 taking a nice trade. Took 2 trades in a row. Yesterday short, today long, plus 712.50. So good trading in soybeans. It's been underperforming. Exhaust in reverse. One winner, one loser, and then an open position long down here at the lows. And after hours 3.0, this is going to be the new strategy to be trading in March. It does better than 2.0, so minus 725. And so if you're trading 2.0, you want to trade 3.0. 2.0 actually didn't trade last night, so it's 3.0 is behind 2.0, but 3.0 should be traded going forward because it's a better strategy if you're trading after hours. So those are the trades on the day for March the 2nd, 2021.